Hola, mi nombre es Vianey Sara Tejas y yo trabajo en County City Credit Union. He estado aquí por 8 años y soy la coordinadora del servicio en español. Este, no solo les estoy hablando para poder darles información sobre servicios que pueden encontrar en el condado de Jefferson. Yo también soy parte de una organización que se enfoca a poder ayudar a la gente hispana. Nuestro grupo está formado por PADA, que ayuda a las mujeres con violencia, o cualquier persona que esté sufriendo de violencia puede ir con PADA, y está aquí localizado en Jefferson. También tenemos a Head Start. Si tienen niños pequeños, los pueden llevar ahí sin ningún compromiso, y les enseñan mucha educación. También tenemos a GCLC, que les da servicios a los adultos que no pudieron terminar su escuela secundaria. También les enseñan inglés y les ayuda a estudiar para el examen de ciudadanía. También todos esos servicios son gratuitos. También tenemos a Rock River Free Clinic, como vieron anteriormente. Es una clínica gratuita para las personas que no tienen acceso a una aseguranza. También tenemos a Anthony Lucky, que es un abogado aquí apenas en Jefferson y habla español. Y tenemos también servicios como Whitewater. Tenemos el colegio de Whitewater. Tenemos una profesora que habla español. Aquí en County City Credit Union me tiene a mí, que puede hablar, puede venir si tiene alguna pregunta, si quiere sacar una matrícula, si quiere saber cómo puede obtener su número ITIN. También tenemos servicios notarios en español, y puede preguntar por mí, Vianey, o Maribel, que también habla español. Si tiene cualquier otra pregunta, puede venir a contactarnos, y va a mostrar nuestra información abajo de su pantalla. De muchas familiares que hemos atendido aquí en County City, o también en la ciudad de Jefferson, hemos tenido miembros que abrieron su cuenta con un número ITIN y ahora ya son ciudadanos, y han venido a nosotras a poder darles una carta de recomendación para darle al gobierno. Entonces, por favor, no tengan miedo de salir. Estamos aquí con ustedes. Busquen, tenemos casi todos los negocios tienen siquiera a una persona, y si necesitan ayuda de una persona pueden venir conmigo o con cualquiera de los programas que les mencioné anteriormente. Si tienen alguna pregunta, por favor pueden llamarme, o pueden mandarme un correo de voz o un correo electrónico. Estoy aquí disponible para ustedes. Muchísimas gracias y espero que sea de mucha ayuda. Hasta luego.
My name is Kristen Wallace, and I'm the Executive Director of the Rock River Free Clinic in Jefferson, Wisconsin. We do not charge anything for patients to come see the doctor. We're also very fortunate to have a full-time primary care physician. So we're open every day of the week, Monday through Friday, and Dr. Rutledge sees patients and they become his primary care patients. So it's just a really wonderful partnership to have this kind of primary care service for our patients. To be eligible to be seen at the Rock River Free Clinic, there are 3 criteria. The first is you have to live in our service area, which is anywhere in Jefferson County, the city of Whitewater, and the city of Cambridge. So we've really gone beyond Jefferson County as our service area. Secondly, you have to have no health insurance. And this could be a temporary situation where you're between jobs and don't have health care coverage. Or it could be that you just don't have health insurance at this time. And thirdly, you have to meet our income requirements, which are actually very generous. For a single person, you can make up to $50,000 a year and still be eligible to see our doctor free of charge. For a family of 4, you can have a family income of $100,000 and still be eligible for our clinic. So thank you to our partnership with Ford Healthcare and Jefferson County, and that gives us the ability to do this. One service that we offer, which we're very pleased about, is help in paying for prescription medications. Many times when you go to the doctor, you need a prescription drug to help you on your path to wellness. So we have programs through the prescription drug companies. Many times they need special information from you in order to donate the medication to you. Other times they don't. And in addition to that, we have grant monies that help purchase medications. So that's an excellent service that we're very pleased to offer our patients. We ask that if you're interested in making an appointment to see our doctor, that you call us to make an appointment. Our phone number is 674-7442. And generally, we can get you in within a couple of days. So we have capacity to do that. But please do call to make an appointment. We want to welcome you to the Rock River Free Clinic. Regardless of your legal status, we want to help you get the care you need. And we are not going to ask for any paper documentation. We will ask for your wage and salary, but we just ask that you verbally tell us that information. So please know you're welcome to visit us, and don't be reluctant to do so if you have a medical need.
Mi nombre es Vianey y estoy interpretando para Kristen Wallace. La clínica de Rock River Free Clinic es una organización sin fines de lucro que fue fundada en el año 2003 y es dirigida por un consejo de administración voluntario. La misión de la clínica es poder proveer servicios de salud gratuitos con un grupo de profesionales dedicados a ayudar a personas de bajos recursos e individuos que no tienen aseguranza médica en el condado de Jefferson, Whitewater y Cambridge. Están abiertos de lunes a viernes y van a ver información abajo de su pantalla. Gracias.
Hi, I'm Barb Morrison-Gudgeon. I'm the clinic director for the Community Dental Clinic. We are a full-service dental office that provides care to residents of Jefferson County. To be served here, you need to have permanent residence. You need to either have Medicaid insurance or no dental insurance at all, and an income up to 200% of the federal poverty level. So if you have no dental insurance, you need to provide us with proof of income, proof of residency, last year's W-2 forms, pay stub, current checking, and savings account statement. We provide all the basic dental needs, extractions, cleanings, fillings. If you need dentures or partials, we do have referral sources for that. There is a fee for that, and that depends on where we send you and what your insurance needs or non-insurance needs are. We would love to have you come and see us. We have been open for 10 years, and our doors are open to everyone that resides in Jefferson County. Thank you.
Hola, mi nombre es Gaby. Trabajo aquí en la Clínica Dental Comunitaria. Estamos en el condado de Jefferson. Todos los que son vivientes del condado de Jefferson pueden venir a la clínica. Para calificar a la clínica necesitan caer en el 100% o en el 200%. Necesitan información de sus W2, un estado de cuenta y un talón de cheque de su trabajo para confirmar la información. Pueden venir si no tienen aseguranza o si tienen aseguranza. Los requerimientos son los que acabo de nombrar y necesitan proveer toda la información que sea correcta. Hacemos básicas limpiezas profundas, extracciones, limpiezas y rellenos. Y si hay algo más que necesitan, como extracciones más difíciles, tenemos información para eso, dependiendo si su aseguranza califica o cubre estos tratamientos o si pueden pagar de su propio bolsillo. También hacemos damos informaciones sobre sus dentaduras, si necesitan dentaduras, y hacemos lo básico. Y nos gustaría que vinieran a la clínica si califican en lo que acabo de nombrar. Que pasen un buen día.
Hello, I'm Anthony Locke, attorney at law. I practice immigration law. Today, I just want to discuss a couple things with you. I want to discuss a little bit about the benefits of seeing an attorney, preparation in case something were to happen to you or your family, and any sort of prevention that you could do to help prevent any issue occurring with law enforcement. Today, I'm also not going to be discussing much regarding immigration specifics, like different sorts of immigration cases. That's something that would happen a little bit down the line. So to get right into it, I just want to discuss the benefits of seeing an attorney. Seeing an attorney is really going to allow you to have the opportunity to focus in on your case specifically with the details that are for your case. This is important because in immigration law, cases are very, very specific and very fall on small details. Every case is different for very small details. So having an opportunity to see an attorney will allow them to look at all the different factors of your particular case in order to come up with a solution or benefit for you. Even if there isn't necessarily a good benefit, an opportunity to understand what exactly it is and the way that you should be living your life while you are present here in the United States. With that, how to prepare yourself should something happen to you or your family. Having all of your family information in one specific spot so everybody in your house knows exactly where it is should something occur. By family information, I mean bills that are to be paid, a check card, who are your points of contact for emergency information, simple things to make sure that should somebody be detained, what do you do? That the family has already discussed amongst themselves what they should do in such an emergency situation. Another very important thing is, should the parents be detained during the workday and kids are at school, what do you do? Make sure that you have somebody as a point of contact who's able to pick up your children from the school. By that, you also need to notify the school that this person is going to come and pick your child up, just to make sure that you have some sort of parental guidance involvement in this sort of situation. Having power of attorney over kids and property is another important thing. Who's going to take care of your kids should you be detained? Who's going to cover your property? Who's going to pay for anything regarding your property during that time period? Be sure to look into this and so you know exactly who and what is going to happen in these sort of instances. So prevention and rights. Some prevention typical measures are you're going to want to avoid having any sort of criminal activity for sure. So whether that be drinking and driving, domestic violence, drugs, these three things are some of the worst sort of instances that will lead to immigration issues for sure, especially because you would be detained on these sort of matters. But they also are things that would cause you to have further problems down the line regarding your immigration case. So be sure to avoid these things especially. Also, make sure your car is in working order when you're going around, just to not cause further notification of your presence and any issues and any sort of stops. If you are stopped, be sure that you are compliant with the officer. The issue with a stop is that the officer has very high discretion in any situation. If you are just having a simple traffic ticket, comply. Be honest, but you do not need to volunteer more information than the question that they are asking. Again, just be sure that you're honest in any situation because it's going to help. Further, if you have a knock at the door, be sure that if the police or immigration is at your door knocking, that they have a warrant for your arrest or to search the premises. A warrant is a court order that is signed by a judge. And you need to be able to make sure that these sort of things are on there. It needs to be very specific. So if somebody knocks at the door, even get to the point where you are sliding a note under the door asking for a copy of the warrant, so that you are sure that it is a legal warrant as such. Just a little bit of your rights. If you are in immigration, with immigration, you have the right to an attorney. One will not be